Question, are you still waxing or shaving your face? I have a way that you can save tons of money and time. My new once a month routine has completely eliminated my facial hair and it's amazing. I used to be waxing my upper lip, chin, and eyebrows, the holy trinity, but I was going to the salon to do that and it was costing me a ton of money and took way too much time. And then when I tried to do it at home, I had no idea what I was doing. So then finally, a friend of mine, you know what? No, she's my best friend now because she recommended me this new epilator called Pluxy, and it removes your hair and keeps it gone for up to 4 weeks. Long story short, I am absolutely in love with my Pluxy. At first I thought it was kind of expensive, but it's already saved me so much money and time. Can't recommend it enough. Go and get one now.
Waxing or shaving your face? Here's how to save tons of money and time. You guys, my new once a month routine has completely eliminated my facial hair. It's crazy. I was shaving my face with razors like every single day, and it cost me so much time and so much money spent on those razors. I was waxing my lip, chin, and eyebrows every few weeks. And when I did it at the salon, it was so much money, but then when I tried doing it at home, it was so much trouble. It took me so much time and I never got the same results. But then a friend of mine recommended this device called Pluxy. It removes your hair in just a few minutes and it doesn't grow back for 4 weeks. Even better, your hair grows back thinner than before. So over time, it just disappears completely. It's also way less painful than I thought it would be. I barely felt anything, and I'm a weakling. I am so glad that I got Pluxy. It seemed expensive at first, but it's already saved me so much time and money. I cannot recommend it enough. Is your epilator damaging your skin's health? You guys, they finally made an epilator specifically for facial hair, and it's amazing. I used an epilator for years, and while it did the job better than waxing or shaving, it was really uncomfortable, and over time, I started noticing bumps and dry skin on the areas where I used it. Apparently, not all epilators are the same. Some can seriously damage your skin, most are extremely uncomfortable, and none of them do a good job at getting rid of your facial hair. But then, I saw a post from an esthetician raving about this new epilator called Pluxy, which she said was the hands down best way to remove your facial hair. It uses something called glide technology to remove your hair 4 times deeper than waxing does, yet it doesn't irritate the skin. It's also specifically designed for your face, so it's super effective at getting all those fine fuzzy hairs and those weird angles that other epilators can't reach. And it's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower and make the experience even smoother. I now use Pluxy just once a month, and I can't even remember the last time I saw hair on my face. You gotta try it.
Okay, ladies, if you're still waxing or even shaving your face every day, I have the perfect reason for you to stop. Like probably many of you, I used to have my upper lip and chin waxed, which was super painful and it took a really long time. And there was always this weird limbo period where new hair would start to grow back in, but it was too soon for me to go get waxed. So I was just walking around with like a 5 o'clock shadow. So finally, a friend of mine, and you know what? I'll upgrade her to my best friend for this story because she recommended me the epilator called Pluxy. And you know what? Never going back to waxing or shaving again. Every time I use this product, I think of the number 4 because it gets your hair 4 times shorter than a razor would, and it keeps your hair from growing back for 4 weeks. Oh, and it's for me, obviously. So if you've got that thick, dark facial hair just like I do, just get a Pluxy. So much better than waxing or shaving.
If you're tired of dealing with this constant battle against thick facial hair regrowth that plagues you day in and day out, listen up. Imagine waking up every day to the smoothest face you've ever had. That's what life with Pluxy is all about. Before Pluxy, my days were filled with frustration and insecurity from constantly needing to shave. My battle against coarse hair seemed never ending, and it left me feeling, well, unfeminine and unconfident in my own skin. The dark shadows felt like a stark reminder of the relentless growth, no matter how many times I tried to remove it. Now, thanks to Pluxy's epilator, I finally triumphed. This epilator, especially for gals with thick hair like us, is super user-friendly. Just glide it over your skin and see the long-lasting, smooth, soft results for weeks without drying out or damaging your skin. And here's the best part. Over 20,000 ecstatic reviewers gave Pluxy 5 stars. Now that's a club I want to be a part of. I can't stop touching my smooth face, and I can't deal with how confident I feel without visible regrowth every day. Oh, and did I mention, if you try Pluxy today and if you don't 100% love the results, they'll refund the full amount. No questions. So go get yours before they sell out.